Hey everyone, welcome back. Is an app stuck downloading on your iPhone just showing a loading circle and that never finishes? This is super common and there are three quick fixes that work every single time. First of all, go ahead and tap on the icon that is stuck downloading on your home screen. Tap on it once to pause it and then tap on it again to resume. Sometimes that kickstarts it. Now, if that does not work, go ahead to your settings and then tap your name, tap media and purchases, then tap view account. Go ahead and sign out of the account and then sign back in and check if the download continues. Then, if you're still stuck, go to the settings app or swipe down from the top of your screen and switch to a different network or turn Wi-Fi off and use your mobile data instead of that. Also, App Store downloads sometimes get stuck on loose Wi-Fi. And finally, if nothing works, press hold on the stock app and then tap delete the app and re-download it fresh again. This always works. So all you gotta do is pause and resume, sign out of your Apple ID, switch to mobile data or delete and re-download. One of these will fix every time.